This is my old company that I worked for years ago, Union Company. In those days it was known as Union Steamship Company of New Zealand Limited. See, they've got the flag up here as well. Awesome to see. So we're in Dunedin, and it looks to me like it's now accommodation apartments. So a lot of history here in this city. So just driven in today from over in Cromwell. It's taken us about 4 hours driving. It's a fair way. Not a bad road, but it does take a little while. So there you go, guys. That's our Union Steamship Company of New Zealand Limited. For those of you that remember that company well and may well have worked for that company. And I never went into this office, but a lot of people would have. And we're not too far from the docks, really. It's just straight behind that building there, which is now the head post, etc. I guess there have been many changes, but some of these buildings have been here for a long time. Okay, thank you for viewing.